There comes the Wizard. The bow is just poking out by the bridge right now. It's by the side of the concrete pillars. My friend Eric got to do the day trip on the Wizard down to Tacoma to pick up the Connex container with the refrigeration system. And yeah, I had a chance to, but I had to do some training at work and I couldn't go this time, but hopefully next year I'll be able to. Right now the Wizard is waiting at that pier. Right now. Right now the Wizard is waiting at that pier to come through the boat locks.